Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Today, we'll talk about modern outdoor patio with tropical style. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started. Creating a small modern outdoor patio that exudes tropical style is about blending form and function with the natural beauty of the tropics. It's a place where modern design meets the lushness of nature, providing a serene escape from the daily grind. A modern outdoor patio should be a bastion of calm and style. To achieve this, select furniture with a modern aesthetic, favoring clean lines and a minimalist design. Materials like metal, teak, or synthetic rattan offer durability and a contemporary look. Incorporate colors that evoke the tropics, such as sandy beiges, ocean blues, and vibrant greens, through accent pieces like cushions, rugs, and decorative items. These elements work together to create a cohesive and stylish space that feels both modern and inviting. The essence of the tropics can be captured through the careful selection of plants and natural materials. Choose tropical species that thrive in your climate, ensuring they provide both shade and visual interest. Bamboo, orchids, and bromeliads are excellent choices for adding texture and color. Consider the use of natural stone or wood for pathways and accents, which can harmonize with the greenery and enhance the tropical feel. A small water feature, like a bamboo fountain, can add a sense of tranquility and the soothing sound of flowing water. In a compact outdoor area, smart design is key to maximizing space. Utilize vertical space with trellises or green walls, which can host climbing plants or create a lush backdrop. Opt for furniture that serves multiple purposes, such as benches with built-in storage or tables that can adjust in height for different uses. Mirrors can also be strategically placed to reflect the garden and give the illusion of a larger patio. Proper lighting can transform your patio into an enchanting nighttime retreat. Use a combination of functional and ambient lighting to ensure visibility and create a warm atmosphere. LED strips can outline the patio's perimeter, while solar-powered lanterns can be hung from trees or placed on tables. For a touch of whimsy, fairy lights can be draped over plants or along fences, providing a magical glow that enhances the tropical vibe. Your patio should reflect your personality and become a space where you love to spend time. Display artifacts or souvenirs from tropical locations you've visited, or incorporate art that represents the flora and fauna of the tropics. If you enjoy music, set up outdoor speakers to play sounds of the rainforest or ocean waves. These personal touches will make your tropical patio feel like a true extension of your home and interests. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a modern outdoor patio with tropical style. Thank you.